Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am preparing chicken fry recipe in 15 to 25 minutes by using simple and less ingredients from the kitchen. It is going to be so easy and juicy. So without wasting time, let's start to make chicken fry recipe. Take a kadai and add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add 2 medium-sized finely chopped onion and fry it in high flame until it is transparent. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and fry until its raw smell leaves. Next, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and we need to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, I am going to add half kilo of well cleaned and washed chicken pieces. Along with this, we need to add salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of kashmiri chilli powder and 1 teaspoon of chilli powder. Keep mixing and cook it in like this. And no need to add water. If you feel that the chicken is getting sticky, then add very little water and cook for 10 minutes. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and fry the chicken until it is cooked well. Keep the flame sometimes low and sometimes medium and cook the chicken. Now add sliced green chilli and few curry leaves to get nice aroma. If you feel it is sticking on your pan or kadai, then add very little water. I did not add any water here. Next, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of jaggery powder and finally, as usual, I am going to add finely chopped coriander leaves and you can also add lemon juice. And that's it. The quick and easy with less ingredients chicken fry is ready to be served. Do try at home, and if you like this recipe, please give a like, share with your friends and family. If you are watching my videos for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. Thank you so much for watching my video.